آياته فهو الكريم المنزل وقل قال الله جل جلاله والمصطفى الهادي ولا أتأول.
Get this rule clear. The bare kufr and shirk in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the axis and base for our bara'ah from a kafir, whether they harm us personally or love us, whether they kill us or not, whether they occupy our lands or not. The foundation and base and axis of our bara'ah from a kafir is his kufr. If he occupied the lands and those lands were regained, the bara'ah from them and what it entails remains fully intact. Anyone who alleges our wala and bara is contingent only on them harming us or killing us or abusing us, or if they're fighters at war with us, that person considers his honor more valuable than the honor of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Anyone who says that harming us is why we have bara'ah from them or why we hate them is saying directly or without perceiving it that abusing my honor, my country, my people, my family is more important than their abuse of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's nifaq to imply that if they revile and abuse Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that's between them and Allah. If they revile me or abuse me, then we trigger bara'ah from them. They call for tolerance if they abuse Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But when it pertains to them, they want bara'ah. If it affects them, they want bara'ah. The munafiqeen who attribute themselves to this ummah in bark tolerance, they're the worst of the worst in their reaction when they themselves are merely responded to, even if it's politely, or whether they're attacked. They want tolerance with everyone, but full bara'ah from the muwahideen and anyone who may respond or attack them. But the abuse of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's okay. There's no bara'ah needed there. These are simple, undisputable matters. They're so simple that all we need to do is agree on submission to the Quran and the Sunnah in the early Salaf and their interpretation. And there's absolutely no way we can disagree on this concept and principle. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Hadith al-Qudsi, شَتَمَنِ ابْنُ آدَمْ وَلَمْ يَكُنْ يَنْبَغِي لَهُ أَنْ يَشْتُمَنِي. The son of Adam abused me and he has no right to do so. Allah is saying that. Allah himself is saying they abuse me, they revile me. أَمَّا شَتْمُهُ إِيَّاي فَقَوْلُهُ لِي وَلَدْ فَسُبْحَانِ أَنْ أَتَّخِذَ صَاحِبَةً أَوْ وَلَدًا. In another narration, وَأَمَّا شَتْمُهُ إِيَّاي فَقَوْلُهُ اتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ وَلَدًا وَأَنَا الْأَحَدُ الصَّمَدُ لَمْ أَلِدْ وَلَمْ أُولَدْ وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لِي كُفْءًا أَحَدٌ. Abusing Allah is saying He has begotten children. What does that say? The kufr is the abuse of Allah. Their kufr is why we do bara'ah from them. Because we love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we hate everyone who abuses Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you don't think kufr is not abuse of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it's not mighty, and it's not serious, then listen to Allah say, وَقَالُوا اتَّخَذَ الرَّحْمَنُ وَلَدًا. They say Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has begotten a son. لَقَدْ جِئْتُمْ شَيْئًا إِدًّا. You've come up with an outrageous, mighty claim. A huge, terrible, evil thing. Go tell those pro-tolerance fools one little criticism, especially in respect, especially if it came from a muwahhid, and see how they begin to whimper. Allah called this abuse to him. Allah said it's a mighty, outrageous claim. تكاد السماوات يتفطرن منه وتنشق الأرض وتخر الجبال هدا. The heavens are about to burst. The earth is about to split. And the mountains are about to crumble into tiny pieces. Why, Ya Allah? أن دعوا للرحمن ولدا. Because they ascribe the son to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
الاعتقاد الشافعي ومالك وأبي حنيفة ثم أحمد ينقل فإن اتبعت سبيلهم فموفق